So we just got out of lunch at the Diamond Horseshoe. It's a new experience for lunch. They just started doing lunch and dinner, right?
Yeah, probably since our last trip, so like within the last couple of years or so.
Last year or so.
Yeah.
And so we had, you can do it an a la carte type thing with some sandwiches, or we got the all you care to eat option, which had beef brisket, sausage, pulled pork,
chicken,
and grilled chicken, and then it had some fixings. So it had cornbread, mac and cheese, sweet
baked
potatoes,
beans.
and baked beans with ham.
And then also came with, or no, you mentioned the salad.
Yeah, it came with salad. No, I didn't say the
Oh,
salad.
yeah. Then it came with salad.
And then dessert. And trio dessert, it was an apple cobbler type thing, chocolate cake.
And cranberry cheesecake.
Okay. So what do you think of the meal?
It was okay. It wasn't anything spectacular. It wasn't anything, like that. I had, read a lot of reviews going into it, and the reviews were very unfavorable. But of course, we have this thing where we want to experience everything, and we've never eaten here, and we've eaten at all the other table service restaurants in Magic Kingdom, so we wanted to try it. And again, it wasn't terrible. It was edible. It was all right.
The pulled pork to me was just pulled pork.
It wasn't
vinegary.
Special.
It wasn't too special. The brisket was okay. What I actually liked the grilled chicken. The grilled chicken wasn't special, but I liked it. It was cooked just right to me. And then Carrie really liked the sausage.
I like the sausage. It was just basically, it's like a small piece of kielbasa. It wasn't anything.
But Carrie doesn't like sausage normally, so
but I like kielbasa.
But for her to like sausage, that's good. And then the desserts, I like the apple cobbler.
Yeah.
Probably the best.
Yeah, I think so too.
The chocolate cake was chocolate cake.
Yeah.
And then the other parfait, the
cheesecake.
The cheesecake.
It was served in like a parfait glass, so it wasn't like a traditional cheesecake. It was layers of cheesecake, cranberry, and it was in a little parfait glass. I'm not a huge fan of cheesecake, which is why I didn't really like it. But yeah, I think the apple was probably my favorite dessert.
But still, it wasn't bad.
No, not at all. And if it's something that's available as an option, it's not like I'd say, oh, we're never going to go here again. I'd probably still consider it.
Yeah.